Cat egg. Well, new shotgun came out recently, and I didn't really have much to say about it because shotguns are a little bland at the moment. I'm gonna go repair this, and we can talk about it. Basically, plugged it back into the DPS chart that I made previously, and it is the strongest shotgun out of the semi-auto fire ones by like 1.8k in DPS. So TLDR, all the shotguns kind of hover between 6k to 7k DPS. This one's at 8.8k DPS, so power creep. Except the only difference is that the AA12 is sitting at around 13k DPS. So even though it's at 8.8k, you still got like a good 4k DPS gap between these two guns. But you also have to remember this is if every bullet or every pellet of the shotgun hits. Um, it's just like a classic pump action. Takes a little under a second to reload one shell, and accuracy all feels the same as any normal shotgun. And we can go just try it out on some elites. These are all white weapons that you can check right here. Nothing fancy. Um, gonna compare it to this +6 Alpha 12 AA12 just because I made it for fun. Mainly just for gimmicks. But yeah. So I guess it comes down to on this banner, is it worth to roll on this? Not really. Unless you really like shotguns, like I could see how it's good. And if you're really good at aiming, like getting most of your pellets on the head it's not ideal. The only way I can see this is if you really like shotguns and you got your spacing right. Because if you're like a good, let's say like this distance away, you'll hit max damage and you'll have like a good spread. So if you're too far, you see how the spread's too much, but you wait till they get closer and it's basically an insta kill. But it's pretty slow. Despite being able to reload one shell, pump, reload one shell, pump. What? I mean, that wasn't that bad. But, you know, comparatively to like any automatic firing gun. So, and this is with no add-ons, no upgrades. There's just a regular 40 shotgun, which surprisingly is pretty strong. Ooh. It's got good range. Ooh. At least it can one-tap vexes. Ooh. Oh man, I don't know about this one. It's ooh. Yeah, this if you could tell there's like that small glitch where only one pellet hits sometimes, and I can't figure out what the life of me is up with that. I'm just chalking it up to RNG spread being awful, and I don't know, that's just how it is. Yeah. Um, and nothing. So this is basically the new shotgun CS23. Um, Giving a good comparison, we'll switch to the AA12 and then go on to the other side. Shouldn't take us too long. Just get a car and zoom over. Of course, the damage difference is going to be significantly different because this is +6 and this is +0. But if you can already see a +0 has a higher attack power than a +6, it's just reloading and fire rate and everything on an AA12 is just higher. So theoretically, your DPS is higher. But if you're able to get like a good CS23, good headshot percentage, and you can like put all your pellets on the elites, I'm pretty sure you can like one-shot them. But something about the AA12 is just so convenient, just being automatic and one-stop shop with reloads, 8 bullets. Oop, didn't need a reload. It's all the same distance. Basically barrel stuffing range. Oh, well, yeah, it's that easy. Just point and click once they're staggered and just start pelting their head. Yeah, that's the differences between the shotgun variants. Of course, this one is heavily enhanced versus the other one. But yeah, that's basically the new shotgun, the CS23. I don't recommend rolling it, but if you like shotguns and if they could work, I'm not gonna say it's bad. It is strong. It just has raw attack power. You just have to ADS straight into a head, and it should kill if it's at least like +3 or so. Uh, you guys get to, I guess, for the end of it, we get to witness more shitty enhancements. Cause why not? No, 20%. What are the odds? Going back to +5. Yeah. Oh well, that's the end of this video. Alright. Bye bye.